Now, I want you to see that this is our facilitator screen recording virtual class that I'm going to start. I'm starting it. And of course, it's going to give me a little test. How would you like to join, speak, and listen? Echo test to make sure. There you go.
You are currently the only person in this conference.
Right, it's telling me that, and we know that is logical. Now, all users that are assigned to a particular course, when they go into the LMS, you will see, and some of you would have seen it yesterday, a green bar at the top of the screen to say a virtual class is now live. And remember that users cannot enter a virtual class unless an instructor says start. Right, so your users will see by default, you can see where the little hand is showing with a red dot, the whiteboard, the public chat area, the messages, and of course these are the users in the class at the moment. Here we have our start recording button as well, which of course you can pause and resume. The users will not see the tools on the right hand side here unless I click on turn multi-user whiteboard on. If I click on the little hand again, you can see that here is a tool that I can use to draw. I can, of course, clear annotation. Click on Tools, click on the hand again. If I've clicked on the Turn Multi-User Whiteboard on, that means that all the users in the class can, in fact, draw as well. Now, I want you to see that here at the bottom, I have my Share Webcam. So if I start sharing, then all users can, in fact, see me. Right, let's just do that again. And there I'm coming. And then we have our leave audio. What happens if I click it? Let's click it again, just to show you.
You are currently the only person in this conference.
All right, I'm just showing you what happens. And of course, here is my microphone. Now, this is a share my screen, which I'm going to share with you a little bit later on. Here we have a send messages to public chat. So where my cursor is clicking, I can say hello to all users, of course. Right, if there are more than one user, then of course I can do a private chat by clicking on the person's name as well. And then there will be an option for private chat. If I click on my name now, it says set status or mute user. That would not be advisable. Set status. How am I feeling? Away, raised, undecided, confused, happy. If I click on happy, you can see the emoji. Right then the instructor, I mean it's me, but if I was a student, the instructor would know, right, everybody is happy. If I say clear status, and of course it goes back to normal. Now, just to show you here where our cogwheel is, we have a clear all status icons, mute all users except presenter. You could do that if you have a rowdy class. Save usernames. You've got to lock viewers. Right, now that means that say you have dominant viewers, you want to maybe lock so that they cannot share their microphone, that they cannot do public chats, and then you would apply. Otherwise, you would just keep everything available, right? Just as an option. There is a breakout room. Now, if I've shared a particular presentation that I want them to discuss, I'm asking them some questions, I'm going to say create breakout rooms. And here you have the number of rooms can be from 2 to 8. The maximum time duration is 15. You can allow the system to randomly assign students. Of course, I've chosen 2 here. Or you can allow users to choose a breakout room to join themselves, or you can just literally drag and drop. Now, because it's just me, I'm not going to create it now, but there's the option. Just to tell you that if a breakout room is created, it's a new room. So you would have to choose audio, speak and listen, etc. again. If the amount of time is up, you will be joined to the class again, where you will have to again choose how will I join this class. And let's go back. When a breakout room is assigned, there's a breakout tab. And then I want you to know that the square icon means that, of course, I'm the moderator, and this little picture means I'm the presenter as well. Circles would mean these are students. So if I'm the moderator and there is a breakout room tab, I can click here where it will say to me, join room, because I can pop into here if they're not talking nonsense, they're supposed to be discussing. Of course, here would be a tab to say stop breakout rooms even before the time. Now, also just to advise you that students are not allowed to change anything about a presentation which will appear on the whiteboard. You can upload a Word document, a presentation, a PDF, an external video. Okay, so now if I wanted to do so, I'm going to use this blue circle with the white cross. So let's just go upload a presentation. Now I'm going to go and find it. So if I browse for files, you may not see me searching for it, but you will see it soon. So I'm going to go and find it. There you see it coming in. You can also see that the green tick mark is here. Now here where it says default, that's actually the whiteboard. And we're going to use that now. So if I say upload, it will actually upload and then it will convert and it will process. My computer is a little faster, so I'm hoping it will not take so long. Okay, it's processing and there you see it. Right. So I can, of course, move between the slides with my arrows and also my slide numbers. Now remember that we're not going to do a 6-hour presentation at any time with the class. It will probably be, I would say, maximum 45 minutes. It would be one lesson. Now if you say I wanted to go back to my whiteboard, you'll click again on Upload Presentation, click on Default, click on Confirm. And there's my whiteboard again. Okay. Now also, if I wanted to share an external video, I would have to have the URL already. Here's an option for me to use. Share a new video.
The day we rescued
And there it is uploading. Okay, now remember that as a presenter, I can stop, pause, etc. Let's go back to my whiteboard. Okay, and I'm going to, right, quickly, let's just go back again. Stop sharing. There you go. Right, stop sharing. You've seen it. Now, if I said I wanted to, okay, we finished with that one, share my screen. Now, what is happening now? Let's just see. It gives me the option for the entire screen, an application window, or a Chrome tab. So if I go application window, I can say captures. Okay, so that is from my Explorer. And then you can see information from my Explorer. Right. Now, if I go back to stop sharing, okay, screen share has ended. Let's just quickly try one more time. I want to share something else with you. A Chrome tab, there's Google. Okay, now it's bringing it in, and you're supposed to be able to actually see that in my virtual class as well. And there you go. Okay, fantastic. So just to remind you, right, if I want to go back to my whiteboard, make sure it's clicked. Okay, right, and then quickly just stop sharing. Right, we're all playing and learning. And what else did I want to share with you? If you click on these 3 dots, you can make it